So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can fix the issue of zooming in Blender software. As if you all have been using the Blender software, you all might have been known that it allows you to zoom to until a certain point, and after that it won't allow you to zoom. Even if I scrolling the mouse, it won't allow me to zoom more further than this. So in order to fix this issue and to zoom more, you need to just simply hit this edit button on the left top corner. You can find it's just right there. Just simply click over there, and when you click there, you're gonna find this option of preferences. Just simply click on this option of preferences, and when you click there, here on this left window, you need to find this option of navigation over there. And just when you go over the navigation, here on this auto option, you're gonna find, you just need to hit tick mark on this depth button. When you click there, now if I just simply close this window and start scrolling my mouse key again, you can see I am able to zoom in more over there. So by this method you can easily zoom more, even if it won't allow you to zoom more on this Blender software. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.